Ah, get it? Because he's using the rivet gun. So he's riveting things when he's shooting. It's riveting gameplay. It's riveting. Ha, get it? Very riveting. He rivets it. It's very riveting gameplay. He's riveting people with rivets in the gameplay. So it's riveting gameplay. I'll get it? Riveting gameplay? It's a joke? You understand the riveting gameplay joke? It's a great riveting gameplay joke! Do you understand the humor of this situation? The riveting gameplay joke? It's one of the best jokes that has ever been told! Do you understand? The riveting gameplay? No? Okay. Oh, see ya.